Granola, I have taken 1 full cup of oats, half cup of seeds of pumpkin and sunflower, half cup of almonds and walnuts. So these two together will make up another 1 full cup of seeds. Half cup of cocoa is 1/4 cup of butter. I've taken plant-based butter. You can also use coconut oil instead of butter. 4 tablespoons full of fine coconut powder and 2 tablespoons full of rice flour. Sweetness, we have honey. Taken about 4 tablespoons full of honey, 8 dates that I've soaked. Take the pulp and add to it. I've kept some extra sugar syrup. If the honey itself is not enough, I'll add this is about 2 tablespoons of sugar syrup, which I will add. I'm going to dry roast the oats first in a dry pan. There's no need to put in oil or anything. Now dry roast the seeds, the pumpkin and the sunflower seeds first. Dry roast the almonds and walnuts. This is the dates paste. I removed the seed with the water that I soaked and the dates. I put it in a mixie jar, and I have this paste now, which I'll add. Made the roasted nuts into a powder so that it will blend well with the oats. I'm adding the nuts powder to the oats, and then I've added the coconut powder, rice flour, cocoa powder. So I have mixed all these dry ingredients well. You can omit cocoa powder if you do not want the chocolate taste and you want some flavor. You can add half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. That is optional again. All the wet ingredients into one bowl so that they all mix well before I put into the dry mixture. First honey I put, and now I'm putting the dates paste, some more sugar syrup. This is the butter which is melted. You can add sunflower oil as well instead. So I have mixed all the wet ingredients in a single bowl, and I'll be adding this into this mixture and then mix it well. More left, then you can put some dry mixture into this and see that it's all come out along with that and nothing is wasted. And you can do the same to the other bowls. If you think there is some more butter or honey left onto the container, you can put the dry content and then take it out so that nothing remains to the cup. So mix all the ingredients very well. It becomes a nice uniform mixture. At this point you can taste. If you want it to be more sweet, you can add either more honey or sugar syrup or more dates pulp as you wish. A baking tray and grease with sunflower oil or butter to the sides and the bottom so that the tray is ready for baking. I have put the mixture into this tray. It's better to take a flat one so that the baking is uniform. This is all uniformly nicely set, and now we'll put this in the oven to bake. Put the mixture in the oven for about 30 minutes at 150 degrees centigrade temperature. Halfway through in the oven I removed it so that I can just turn a bit to bake uniformly. So breaking it to small pieces so that I can turn. I'm putting it back into the oven now for another 15-20 minutes. So I have let it cool down for good 2 hours. Now it's become very crispy and crumbly, and this is the granola, the final product from KK Kitchens. So this is chocolate granola with nuts. You can have it on its own or you can have it with milk as a cereal. Enjoy.